Alright, I'm at the hobby store. Quick update of Kuji's. They still have some of the One Piece. They got the new Haikyu that's out today, or yesterday. Slime is out, brand new as well. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Okay, over here, this came out a little bit ago. This is a Sword Art Online. Still got some figures for that. Yep. Some of the old ones, Girls in Panzer. We got some of the other ones here. Spider-Man as well. Okay, so yep. If you want any of these, let me know. Okay, shout out to 91. We're doing 2. Got the JoJo's for you, and got the 10 for the slime. 7. Pick 2. Pick 2. Come on. Okay, she's done. Pick 2.
Pick 2. 2. Oh, 2.
Okay.
These 2.
Alright, these 2. Okay. Okay. Hey.
Thank you.
Okay, so I noticed right here, I didn't even mention it, but I had already pre-drawn your 10 for the slime Reincarnated. So that's what I'm opening up right now. So there you go. Good luck. Congratulations. Got the C too. Alright, Shadow 91. Here are your items. You're from the slime and the JoJo's. So 2 from the JoJo's. You got yourself an E cup, glass cup, and a towel, the D. For the slime, you did really well. 2 D prizes, which are these art cards. You got 3 towels, 2 of these G prizes, 1 F prize, you got the C prize, and then the A prize right there. Very nice. Alright, so there was somebody, if you were interested in selling the G, there was somebody that was interested in picking those up from you if you wanted. Let me know if you're interested and I'll link you guys up. Alright, thanks a lot. Alright, the Apocalyptic Cats. You got 10 of these slime Fuji. Or I'm sorry, not 10, 5. Here we go. Alright, the Apocalyptic Cats. Here you go. Here are your Fuji items. You got yourself 2 D prizes, 2 F prizes, 1 G, and then you picked up the last ticket prize because that's all that was left. 5 left. And so you got that special last ticket prize right there, the art card. So congrats on that one. Again, as I mentioned, for Shadowgate, there was one person interested in buying your G prize. If you want to sell that, let me know. I will link you guys up. Link you up with the person that is interested. So let me know. All right. Thank you. Step at the beginning. We're going to 1. Alright, step new beginnings. You got yourself 2 F prizes for the slime Reincarnated. So there you go. Congratulations. Alright, ultimate chickler. We got 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Good luck. Ultimate Chick Nerd, here you go. Here are your 6 Slime Reincarnated prizes. You got yourself 3 towels, E prizes, 1 D prize, which is this art card here, and 2 F prize keychains. Alright, so here you go. Congratulations. Okay, Brandy Wilson, 55555. Want so we give you 6. Give you 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, good luck. Give me a sec while I scratch these out.はい。
ポーチがまず4個です。4つ。
はい。はい。
あとこちらですね。ブルーとピンクどちらがいいですか？
ピンク。
ピンクです。じゃあピンクです。あとこちらがランチケース。ランチケースはブルーとピンク。
ピンク。
ピンクです。
Alright, Brandy Wilson, 55555. Here you go. Here are your. I got you 6 of the Rilakkuma, for number 46. And so here you go. You're able to get 4 of the zipper pouches. So I picked up 1 of each, so you get the full set of that. You got a tumbler. Picked up the pink one, and then also the bento box. You got 1 of those, and then this is the white there, Rilakkuma or whatever, right there, that one. So there you go. Hope you enjoy. Congratulations. Alright, I'm here at one of the stores with a bunch of goodies. Wanted to emphasize the Pompompurin one. They're getting low with the top prize still available, number 1, number 2. All 4 number 3s are still available. Looks like 21 or so left. Let me know if you want to get it. Try it out. And at the same time, we still have the new Rilakkuma, the old Rilakkuma, the new Sanrio. They got some of the One Piece. They got the new JoJo, new Sword Art Online, and the new Slime. As well as they got Toy Story and these other 2, One Piece as well, with the A figure still available. Alright, let me know. Alright, Michael Tucker Pepper, 2 for you. right, Michael Kuiper. Oh, sorry, Michael Conky Kuiper. Here you go. Here are your prizes from the Pompompurin. So you got the number 4 prize, which is the little glass cup, and then you got the number 2 prize, the Pompompurin stool. It's a good stool. Yeah. There you go. Congratulations. Alright, this is TT Girl doing 5 of these for you. Let's see how many left. So there's 10 more left if you want. If you want to buy it out. Let's set this guy. Yep. The 5, the 3, and the 4. There you go, congratulations. Alright, Lizzie TT Girl, here are your 5 Pompompurin prizes. So you got 2 of these Pompompurin trash cans, flip lid ones. You got a glass cup. Yeah, it looks like we got the soap dispenser and the number 3 prize, which is the teacup set. Looks like a tea kettle with a teacup on the bottom. So there you go. Congratulations. Alright, doing this, Kathy. We're doing some Haikyu for you.
Good luck. じゃあ6回で。はーい。
A, B, C, and D still available. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6.
はーい。
はい。
はい、開けます。はい。よいしょ。はい、よいしょ。よいしょ。お、でも D 賞。
D prize.
はい。で、H の。はい。みんな I の。はい、HD。H が H こちらですね。D 賞がどっちかですね。はい。で、I 賞がこっちね。はい。はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, name is Kathy. Here you go. Here are your Haikyu Kuji items. You got yourself a D prize, which is the towel, an H prize, keychain, and you got 4 of the I prizes, which are these art cards. So there you go. Congratulations. All right, Artemis Baker, you wanted 2 of these. Here we go. First one's the white one. White bear, polar bear or so. Next, the yellow cat. There you go, congratulations. Artemis, you go 2 of these for you. Good luck. Looks like this guy right there. Next. The blue. Looks like the green one maybe. There you go. Congratulations. Alright, Artemis Baker, we're doing 2 of these for you. Rilakkuma. First one you got is the chick. Alright, next. And you got one of the Rilakkumas. Oh no, you got that right there. Congratulations. Alright, Artemis Baker. Here are your catches. Wasn't able to get everything that you were looking for, but I got what I can. You got 2 of these Rilakkuma ones. 2 of the Sumiko Garashi, and what are these here? These are also Sumiko Garashi. Yep, so these are the keychain Sumikos. So there you go, got 6 total. Congratulations. Alright, Tokyo Disney Fan 911. So went to the Daiso, got you some of the stuff you wanted. So you got some laundry bags. That's 2 of the rectangular pink, 1 of the rectangular Mickey, the blue, and 1 mini of the odd-shaped one. Found this masking tape, the yellow and the blue one that you wanted, with the dog and the cats. This Yummy Cafe memo pad. Let's see, Toy Story sticky notes. And the Mickey and Minnie, they're both Mickey. The pink and blue lip brushes. So there you go. Alright, so here is the full setup. We got mugs at, let's see, mugs and bags, t-shirts, notepads, towels, and folders of 2 different types of folders. Okay, so if you want any of these, let me know. We got new items at the Sanrio store. We got these hats. Hey. Well, these are like hoodies, and then you squeeze them and the ears move. So they got all the characters. Alright. Over here, they got a Kudomi. New Kudomi merch. They got the hat as well. Looks like pajamas. Oh, that's not working very well, but the bag, little stuff. Phone case, what is that? Handkerchief, towels. So if you're a Kudomi fan, looking for some of this stuff, let me know. Nice. Okay, there we go. Alright, Jasmine, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Look. It's a melody.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, look at here. I think I'm gonna try one play on this. Let's see how good the machine is. The claw looks very flimsy. Don't expect to get it, but here we go. Nope. No. Yeah, it wasn't pay out yet either, so. Alright, I'll try one play over here as well. I think I saw this, this speciality. Oh, somebody knocked that over. I would've wondered if I could go pick that up. That would be funny, but nope. Nope. Alright, that's it. Gotta try. Alright. Oh no, it fell off. Oh well. What's going on, everybody? Alright, thank you again for everything, for your support as we prepare and ramp down my orders in preparation of my upcoming trip. I just want to talk about a few things. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with the this lottery here. Not lottery, it's Pokemon mystery boxes. So 5 big prizes from previous Kujis will go into 5 $100 mystery boxes. 2 have been sold. We got 3 more. I think I'm gonna set a date. Let's see. It's gonna be sometime in September. I'll find like a weekend or so in September. I'm gonna have to check my schedule to see when I might be available, but it'll be probably first week of September, one of the weekends. We're gonna set a date, regardless of if I sell all 5 or not. I'm just gonna box these up. We're gonna go live, and then whoever got in on them, we'll do your draws for the boxes. We'll get them shipped out. Got to get everything shipped out by the first week of September, since I'll be gone the second week. So if you want to get in, $100, you'll get one of these top prizes guaranteed, and at least 11 other items Pokemon related. So let me know if you want to get in on it ASAP. So we got a new Sanrio lottery coming out this weekend. If you're interested in that, I don't have pictures up, but I will get them up soon. So let me know if you want to get in on some of those. That'll probably be the last Sanrio order I take before my trip, as well as I think there's one more big named Kuji, the what was it, on the 30th or 31st of this month. Shoot, it's a big one. It's a popular one right now. I can't remember it right now, but yeah, I will post that as well. That will be my last order that I will be taking for that. So with that, again, almost there. I'm almost there, 1,000 subscribers for YouTube. So in preparation for that, you know, try to get all the orders you can in, because once I hit that, I will close the $600 mystery box giveaway, and then I will draw for the winners. So yeah, $50 for every $50 you spend, you'll get an entry into it. With that, good luck. Again, appreciate everything. Smash that like button, leave a comment, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.